What's up guys, it's Chris Graham coming at you with another unboxing video. This is from Skate Warehouse. And I ordered some stuff. I ordered a complete board, a t-shirt, and a beanie. So let's get to it. I'm hella hyped because this board is really sick. Yes, I freaking love paper so much. I love it. That is hella sick. Alright, so we got a football paper. Basketball. Ooh! Ooh! Oh my god. Alright, let's take out this little... Ah! It ate my arm! Alright, let's take out this little pack. Whoa! It's kinda heavy. Let's take out this board. And then just... Oh my god. Just leave that there real quick. Then let's get out this t-shirt. Ooh, this is nice. Damn. And a beanie. Yep, that's just paper at the end. Alright, well, let's check this out. This is a beanie. Ugh. I forgot what brand this is. Oh, Brixton. Yeah, I got a Brixton beanie. This looks sick. And we got an Organica t-shirt. Large, because I like big shirts. And it's a baseball tee, of course, because I freaking love baseball tee. Oh my god. This looks so much cooler in person. Damn. This is sick. Best full job I've ever done. Let's check what's inside this package first. It's of course stickers, but stickers are rad. And you need to check out the stickers. So, ow. Wait, hold on. Is it me or did they oh, okay, cool. Alright. Thought they forgot my grip tape. Alright, so I got some Skate Warehouse die cut grip. It's got the SW right there. Woo, that scared me. Alright. Just pull out the Skate Warehouse stickers all the way in the back. If I did already. Alright, yes, thank God. Alright, so I wanted the blue Skate Warehouse. Couldn't ask for anything, so I was just hoping, and I got it. Then I got this red one right there. Is that it? I only got those two. Alright. And then I got two more, and it's the Classy Sun Hater. It's got like this beer looking logo with a mountain, so I thought it looked cool. I'm not saying I drink beer. And then we got Crux Stick Up. Alright, check this out. Ew. Oh shit! Oh, just rip it open. Pull it out. Alright. So I got some blind 52mm wheels. These are sick. Alright, now I got some Modus Allen head hardware, 1 inch. And then, oh my god, these are so tiny. Alright, some Spitfire cheap shot bearings. This is a small package. What if there's like only two? That'll be hella pretty. Then we got my Crux Trucks silver. And the board, it is an impact board. What the hell? Oh, almost impact board. Oh, it's hella sick. And it's a day one Bruce Lee. But damn, that's hella sick. But oh my god. The bottom ply is baby blue. So once this graphic wears away, it's gonna be baby blue. Dude, that is hella sick. I'm a big fan of like sick bottom plies. So it's gonna be hella rad. Damn. That's hella sick. Alright, now I'm gonna put everything on the floor so you can see everything that I got. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Yeah. Oh. Anyway, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in the... fuck. Anyways, thanks you...